it's Morgan from WTI, and if you're looking for a new case for your Switch, look no further. This is the Animal Crossing New Horizons Aloha edition of the carrying case for your Switch. It's from Nintendo. It's got everything you need. I love this carrying case for my Switch. I love how slim and compact it is. It's so good for throwing your bag on the go, for storing your device and games when you're not using them. The colors are so cute. I love the inverted color scheme on either side and the zippers. Look how cute. The 5 card slots are super great for bringing extra games with you, or you can bring a screen wipe in this little mesh compartment. When you close it, the stand protects your screen also, which I think is a really nice touch because then you never have to worry about it being scratched in there, moving around. It's really snug and fits perfectly. This case can fit all types of Switches, the original, the Lite, the OLED. I love that it's super versatile. I love this Switch case, and that's my point of view.